Google might just be about to pull a move that could redefine what we expect from smartphones. The next Pixel isn't just about a faster processor or sharper cameras. It could finally solve problems that have frustrated users for years. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Like, share, and subscribe for more updates you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. If you've been following the Pixel story, you know the last few models were divisive. Enthusiasts complained about performance, odd design choices, and inconsistent battery life, yet somehow, the Pixel 10 shattered sales records in the US. It's strange, right? A phone that underwhelms the tech community but dominates the market. This contrast might finally explain Google's strategy. The Pixel isn't chasing the enthusiasts anymore. It's chasing the everyday user. Average buyers don't obsess over benchmark scores or the tiniest performance tweaks. They want something simple, reliable, and well-supported. And Google has nailed that sweet spot. Whether it's snapping a quick photo, scrolling social media, or streaming videos, the Pixel delivers good enough. With style, the real trick. Google's partnerships with carriers, aggressive promotions, and massive marketing campaigns have made these phones not just accessible but highly desirable for a broad audience. Now, the next Pixel, rumored to be the Pixel 11 series, might change the game entirely. Leaks suggest a MediaTek M90 modem is on the table, paired with a new Tensor G6 chip built on a 2nm process. This isn't just about speed. Dual 5G SEM support and satellite connectivity could finally make network drops a thing of the past. Combined with AI-assisted power management, smoother performance, and cooler thermals, this could quietly be the most significant improvement in Pixel history. Cameras are also rumored to get an AI boost that could redefine smartphone photography. Think 100x AI-assisted zoom, low light video that's usable in near darkness, and in-gallery AI editing tools capable of removing objects, adjusting lighting, or enhancing video, all without third-party apps. The Pixel could be moving from good enough to astonishingly smart. Without asking the average user to become a photography expert, design tweaks appear subtle. Thinner bezels, matte finishes, and invisible IR sensors for secure face unlock. But the hardware inside could set new standards for AI-driven phones. The lineup is expected to expand with the standard, Pro, and XL models, covering display sizes from 6.3 inches to a massive 6.9 inches, all running the Tensor G6 and the M90 modem with dual 5G and satellite support, fast charging, magnetic wireless systems, and long-term software updates make the Pixel a practical choice for years to come. It's fascinating because while enthusiasts might feel overlooked, Google is playing a long game. By focusing on the average consumer, maximizing accessibility, and leveraging smart AI features, they're slowly building a Pixel brand that's not just good enough, but widely recognized, trusted, and ultimately mainstream. The question now isn't whether Pixel is technologically impressive, it's whether this strategy can keep it growing while keeping enthusiasts like us engaged. So, here's what I want to know. Do you see yourself sticking with Pixel if it continues down this mass market path? Or are you waiting for something that scratches that high-end enthusiast itch? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you're as fascinated by this shift as I am, hit that like button, share with a friend, and subscribe so you don't miss the next deep dive. Because trust me, this is only the beginning of a story that could reshape Android in ways we haven't fully seen yet.